Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Mi 10T Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left to this button, so when we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. From here let's slide down a little bit and focus on the general settings. At the second place here we have save location info option, so by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need, and this option allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. Also here the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device, so remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture. To see it, let's move to the left corner at the bottom to this button, so here we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our photo. Let's tap on the center. Now we get access to the gallery options, so let's move to the right corner at the bottom to this button, and here we have to pick the details. At the last position we can check our location with the full address. Also when we tap on it, we can go through to the Google Maps and check our location at the map. So greetings from Kraków, Poland, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.